How to hide apps on Android. So first is you have to go to your settings. Now here on settings, I want you to directly go for the search bar in the settings. Androids has different versions on how or where they put or how you could hide your apps. So you could directly just search for hide apps and it will ask for your confirmation for your privacy. So you have to put that one. Now, after that, it will look like this: your password management, your recovery methods, and your privacy features. Now, if you want to hide your applications, tap on here, hide apps. Then it will actually give you all the lists of your applications that you could actually hide. For example, you want to hide a specific application from your kid so that they won't be able to access it. Say Shopee here, it's an online store. We have actually hidden Shopee application. For example, you want to hide it from your kid so that they won't be able to accidentally order stuff or order products from online. Then these are only the list of apps that you could hide. Then if you want to unhide it, just go back to the process and just tap on turning this off. So basically that is how you hide apps on Android. That is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.